I had streamers to throw up in the air. My friends, I have just gotten back from a trip. No, 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 no. I don't have a Hobby Lobby near me. But I got back from a trip where my car, it just turned into these Hobby Lobbies. I love, love, love craft stores. So what do I have? Well, you know we love to play with our fabric. And these are all wide backs. They didn't have much of these, but oh my goodness, how do you pass on these lovely, lovely blendables for so many different projects? But these are wide backs. That means they're 108 wide, and I get 3-yard segments. I've got a couple of pieces here that weren't 3 yards, but I got them anyway. Look at this. Can you believe this? Can you see this? These are Christmas trees, I think. I mean, what do you think? Those look like beautiful snow scene Christmas trees to me. So we're going to be making quilts. It is my goal to make one quilt every single week. Can I do it? I don't know. Can you keep me with it? Can you challenge me? Can you hit every other video that is not a quilt video and say, Wendy, I want to see a quilt video? Or tell me what you want to see. I would love to create it. I am a crafter, and we are doing this full time, my friends. So here is some quilt backing that I got. I love that red. I just could not pass on these adorable pieces. And let's see what else we have. We have a darker red. And this piece was too small, but I wanted it. And if we're going to cut it up into blocks anyway, it's perfect. And here we have a quilt backing. Oh, can you imagine a whole quilt with this being our sashing on the blocks? So many different options, right? So if I want to do one quilt a week, my friends, we're going to take several weeks off of that and just bring you some hodgepodge. We're going to bring you change purses. We're going to bring you neck bone pillows, potato warmers, all kind of things, soup bowl cozies. But these fabrics, oh, I'm in love with. So, and we have a project coming up with a sashing that I needed sashing for. So we took the whole bolt of the black. It's a beautiful Kona fabric. And yes, Hobby Lobby has Kona. What I want you to do, and I'm going to have a separate video on this, my friends, but when you look at fabric, if you can actually touch it yourself, I want you to feel it. I want you to feel 3 different kinds of fabric that you think is low quality, medium quality, high quality. I want you to feel it. If it feels low quality to you, it most likely is low quality. These are Kona strong, beautiful, 100% cotton. I only use my cotton in my quilting. If I'm going to use a polyester blend, I have to have every single piece in that quilt that same fabric type. That's why I stick to quilters quality fabric when I'm doing my my quilts. Throw the bag out of the way. This is like a tulle or a netting, but it's soft. And if I show you just one line, I'm going to do this just so you can see. What do you think? This is not for a wedding dress, but that would be perfect. This is the stuff. I have a project coming up. I cannot wait to share with you. We are going to be using our scraps, making a fast, fun, exciting project that I cannot wait to share with you. So this has a purpose, and it's going to get almost immediately used because we've got that video I want to make really fast. And fabric is what I do. So look at this baby blue. Can you imagine this baby blue on the back of your quilt on your bed? Gorgeous. Can we say gorgeous? I love it. Okay, and you know the scrapbooker in me, the junk journaler in me, the Valentine's section in Hobby Lobby right now is all 40% off. So I've got to cut the sticky parts in this before you can see it, but absolutely yummy. They have last year's book if you don't have it, and this year's. This is this year's. And I just picked up one little ribbon. You know I've got 2 bins completely full of ribbon. So we're going to be making junk journals coming up, but I thought this would even be nice on another project I have coming up where it's going to be a dangle from your purse. So yes, watch for my full videos, long form videos with the quilts, but I've got a lot of craft projects coming up and we're going to be sharing those too. So if you want to see crafts, please let me know what kind of crafts. I want to bring you what you want to see and what kind of Hobby Lobby would you do? haul would you pull out? Okay, clips. I have clips on the side of my table. I'm going to show you that in another video, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to use with these clips. These clips are normally $5.99. We got them in clearance for $2.99. They have all different kind of sizes in there, and these are the ones you can put on the wall, peel them back off the wall without hurting your paint, without hurting your wallpaper. So we got these. Where do you use them? Why do you use them? Our tools. Oh my goodness, I'm going to show you a video. We're going to use those with our tools, keep ourselves organized, keep everything easy to find. And how many times have we watched a video where I or Sylvia are using the back of our thumb to press down that fabric to finger press a seam, right? Well, we picked up another one of these. These are stained glass tools. But they're rounded edges. They're absolutely perfect for that. And look at this, my friend. I have 4 pieces. These are going to go in each of the workstations. So we have one in each of the workstations where we need it, how we need it, when we need it. The smaller ones, they have a little hook. All I have to do is put a little string through it. And we're going to keep it available when we need it, how we need it, where we want it. So these are absolutely wonderful for just pressing down those seams when we're sewing. Pens. Okay, we're going to have a tutorial coming up, my friends, but these are 200 extra fine glass head pens. And this is Sewology, but there's different kinds out there. And I want to let you know that in any of my videos, if you see me working with tools, working with different things, I'm so excited, I'm so proud of this, an Amazon influencer, an Amazon affiliate. What does that mean? Well, that means, my friends, that some links in this video or every video I make may be affiliate links. And if they are, that means that I may earn a small commission from that purchase if you click on it and buy it at no additional cost to you. So it's a great way for you to take advantage of the same tools that I'm using in the videos, or something I recommend that I have in my stash that I think is a quality item for you to take advantage of. And this does help support my channel and allows me to be able to bring these craft projects to you and keep bringing them to you. And the more you can give thanks, comment, share, hype, any of that, and I've got a lot more I want to go through, but I just wanted to tell you, there's lots of ways that you and I can connect through social media now. So if you would share this video with somebody you think might be able to jump into Hobby Lobby and take advantage of these beautiful sales and different things, that would greatly help me. And if you don't have a ruler and you want the ruler, and you see the link in my description, so underneath my picture right here, you should see description or comments, and then it says a little word by more. Click on that more. You're going to go to my description, scroll down, and it's going to have links in blue or whatever your computer makes them show up. Those are hyperlinks, and those may take you back to one of the companies that allows me to get a small commission off of that item, but again, no additional cost to you. So if you buy, it does benefit my channel. It keeps me going. Okay, Hobby Lobby. I'm so excited. Look at this receipt. We went to more than one, so I have more than one to share with you. But on the back wall in this one Hobby Lobby store, they're upside down. I do that so often. I saw some yummy stickers, and when I looked at them, my friends, they were 90% off because they were still marked as being Christmas. Look at this at the top, Christmas. Right now, Hobby Lobby, get up, grab your keys after this video goes over. Go out to Hobby Lobby. If your Hobby Lobby has Christmas at 90% over and you use stickers, you scrapbook, you junk journal, you like to put a little sticker on every envelope. Yes, some of us still mail thank you cards and different things in the mail. These are absolutely wonderful, perking you up and making you happy. The food, they never put food on sale, but I am addicted to my Pezzas. My Pezzas were only half off, okay? So I still paid $1.24, but they're yummy characters, and when I'm on a road trip, I'm sorry, I like to spoil myself and treat myself. And I love my pezzas. What kind of candy do you like? Tell me what your favorite candy is back from long time ago. I would love to hear. And more stickers. So what do we have? We have house stickers. So those are absolutely adorable. I love these. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to use those. Again, 90% off. All these stickers were. And look at this. This is a raised little car. It's just, I don't have a little bug of a car, but this is so gorgeous. It's got a Christmas tree on top, a bow. It was just adorable. I had to get it. And then gnomes, my friends. We're also looking at making some, hit that subscribe button right now before I forget to tell you later, because we're making gnome Christmas tree skirts and we're making gnome quilts. So we're going to be doing some raw edge appliques, some turned applique, lots of tutorials coming up, shows you step by step what you need to do it. Just so many fun stickers. So I'm so excited about that. And Candy Canes found them 90% off as well. They're little raised puff, but sticker on the back. So that is so cool. And we are going to be doing some hodgepodge. So I'm going to show you how to take normal everyday glue. I have my favorite Elmer's washable no-run school glue that we are going to turn into a permanent project. So I'm so excited to share that with you. At Hobby Lobby, this was not on sale. I did pay $10.99 for this 32 float ounce bottle. But again, the bigger bottles you're going to get, you're actually paying less per ounce. So maybe I'll have another video on this, but when you look at the UPC on the back, that's this scanny thing, and look at the shelf, and next to the price, they're going to tell you an amount per ounce or an amount per whatever. And that's where you can tell if you're getting a good bargain by buying the larger size. We're going to be using a lot of this. So hit that subscribe button and we're going to be taking advantage of that. We're going to break it down so we have it in the sizes we use. More stickers, gnome stickers. Love these. Look at this. There are 2 sheets, 36 gnomes in each of these packages. So I'm so excited about that. Everybody who gets anything with gnomes is going to get that on their Christmas card, going to get that in different places. And McCall's, you know, I know we could both start crying right now, right? We don't want to cry. So McCall's, normally $19.95, $19.95, $18.95, normally $15.95. These patterns are on sale for 50 cents. 50 cents. So if you can, no matter how you think about Hobby Lobby, get to Hobby Lobby, take advantage of McCall's. Now, it may make you happy because the same time you're taking advantage of the discount on McCall's, you're going to see Simplicity is still there and they have other name brands they've never carried before. So patterns are not going away, my friends. Huge, huge. Patterns are not going away. I picked up some. We're going to be having tutorials. Maybe if I can do one a month, maybe one every other month, of where we're actually making clothing in our tutorial. So I'm so excited about that. And the cutest bugs ever. Bugs. They're not bugs. They're buttons ever. I had to get these. What am I going to use them on? I don't know, but stay tuned. We're making crafts and we're going to be using these up before next year. I promise. 90% off of the buttons with Mr. and Mrs. and is this Rudolph? Nope, there's no red nose, but and a reindeer. So absolutely, absolutely adorable. I had to pick those up. They only had 3, so I'm sorry, my friends. I took all of them in that store. And looks like I've got something else here. Okay, so more of our storage clips. I showed you before the skinnier ones. These are the more heavy duty. And when you buy these clips, take a look at how much they do. These hold up to 3 pounds. Scissors are not 3 pounds, my friends, but maybe my purse is. So they do hold different weights. This one, wow, this one's up to 3 pounds. Okay, so both of these, even though they're drastically different sizes, they are for different purposes, much more wide to hang our tools on, and we're going to be putting those up, and I'll show you how I use them when I get there. They also have flyers. Take advantage of the flyers. Sometimes they give you cute little ideas, what to make, how to make. Just, we need inspiration, and anytime we can get it, I don't know, I'm boiling over with inspiration, but that's great to have. Okay, Valentine's was only 40% off. But again, that's we're not at Valentine's Day yet, so that's a great little thing that I got. 24 cards and envelopes, 6 designs each, for each, 48 pieces. So we'll be playing with that in our junk journals, maybe sending a couple of notes away, doing different things. Okay, where can you go and buy yourself a necklace for, I think these were half off, and it was $2.49, so I paid like $1.25 for this beautiful necklace. It's adjustable. We'll be wearing that and putting on charms. Now, for all of the craft projects I do, I want to make a lot of the little change purses and little things. So these key rings are going to come in handy. I want you to see how I use them. So hit that subscribe button. And we have more. Looky, looky. I have never had a little photo around my neck since my kids were babies, and I don't know where they went. So I'm going to be creating more, and I just thought this necklace was the perfect little match for a couple of those. And if it's not a perfect little match, I have myself a silver necklace too. This one's normally $6.99, half price, my friends. I'm paying $3.50 for a necklace. I'm excited about that. And look at, so if you're okay with creating your own jewelry or getting ready-made jewelry, you can actually go to the jewelry section. They have ready-made bracelets, ready-made necklaces. You can buy additional charms to put on them. My friends, it seems like every other week, Hobby Lobby puts the jewelry on sale. So maybe it was 40% off, but a great, great deal. And fabric, no, it doesn't go down to 40% off anymore, but every other week it's like 30% off. Take advantage of that. And these little pieces, these are 8 D-rings, small little D-rings. I'm going to be making little change purses. I put the little D-ring on, absolutely adorable. So hit that subscribe button. We're going to be using those. And depending upon the fabric, I got some in silver, some in that bronze look. So we are empty. I cannot believe we are empty, but I'm so excited. So thank you so much for joining me today. Hit that subscribe button down below. Click on my description. Click on more. Scroll down, and I may have some hyperlinks there that you can take advantage of. Again, I may earn a small commission, but no extra cost to you. I love you, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. And I'm going to start scrapping. So what do I do first? Do I eat some pezzes? Do I get organized? Or do I start having fun? Fabric or paper? Have a great day. Bye.